Hello, today we are going to discuss Jan 2025 paper. Question number C and D, both are theory questions. Okay, we had already prepared trade receivables ledger control account and trade payables ledger control account. Okay, here the other question is state two possible reasons why there was a credit balance on her trade receivables ledger control account on 1st December 2024. We saw that trade receivables ledger control account, okay, it is a current assets account, so it has to start on the debit side, but there was some credit balance of 200. So this means, okay, the customer might have done an overpayment. Okay, he must have done an overpayment of 200 pounds, 200 pounds, and or he must have done a prepayment. Okay, in the previous year he must have done a prepayment, so that could also be the reason, okay, why there was a credit balance. In the check from Badal and Company, it was dishonored on 28 December 2024. Okay, there was a dishonored check, this check 1200 pounds. So this might have happened because if the Badal and Company had insufficient funds in the bank, okay, in the bank of Badal and Company, then it would have reflected as dishonored check. Or if the incorrect signature was done by Badal and Company, then also it would have got dishonored check. Okay. Then the second, evaluate the role of international accounting standards in the preparation of financial statements. So what are the points supporting IAS? So it is a common international standard which is used worldwide. So anybody can understand these statements. Okay. So and these statements can be used by the stakeholders who can easily rely, okay, for using these financial statements for comparison purposes, as it has a greater accuracy because it has been prepared by a skilled accountant. And also, okay, it can be used to compare for financial statements for this thing, so they can rely on these figures for business decisions. Okay, why do they so for some business decisions they have to make, okay, like this can be used. And also it helps you to make easy comparisons, and it has a common format. Then second one is the what are the points arguments not supporting IAS. It is only legally applied to corporate bodies, so small businesses need not follow this. So that means I can't compare in those cases. Also it involves some cost and time for the business to hire a skilled accountant. Okay, and some non-financial factors such as employee motivation and skills will not be considered. So in conclusion, you can say that you have to follow this common international uh, standard. In conclusion, okay, aadya can follow IAS, okay, IAS methods of accounting, as it will help her business to rely for financial statements. Okay, so this is a better method to do.